Drink in my hand, holding it up, drinking it down and refilling my cup. Splitting the blizzy, I'm breaking the sticky. The icky is with me, I'm filling it up. Breaking it down, rolling it up, hitting it, lifting and pulling it up. Drink in my hand, holding it up.
Hey friend, and welcome to my channel. I'm Angelique. So today I'm going to be reviewing a new unit from the Freetress Equal Curtain Bang Lace Wig collection. I got this one in 2 different colors. This is going to be Maven, and I got it in the color number 4 and the color number 2. So this one is going to be heat safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And it's going to be available in 11 special colors in addition to this number 4. So here's what the number 4 is looking like straight out of the box. Of course, there's not going to be any lace to cut with this one. It's going to come with those curtain bangs. So inside of the cap construction, you do see that HD lace parting space going right down the middle. And it is going to come with 2 combs in the front as well as a comb in the back and your adjustable straps. And this one was made on a mesh wig cap. So first I'm just going to go in with my liquid foundation. This is my Fit Me foundation. And then I'm going to just start applying that on the lace. And of course, I do the same process for both wigs. I didn't want to add in all the clips of me doing the same process for both of them because then it was going to make the video super long. But you can see here, I'm just going in and adding this to the inside of the lace. And then that's what it's looking like after I'm done adding that foundation. And I just wanted to show you guys a side-by-side comparison of how the color number 2 looks versus how the color number 4 looks. The color number 4 is not super light, it's more of like a natural dark brown color, and of course number 2 is like your standard off black color. But I just wanted to show you guys side-by-side comparison of how it's looking. And then I also wanted to just get into the installation with a side-by-side comparison just so you guys can see in real time the differences. The differences are not too crazy. If you're somebody who wants to switch up your color a little bit, but you're not really super comfortable getting all these different colors and stuff, I think the 4 is a good option because it's like a natural brown. It's not super light, but it's also not super dark like a 1B or a number 2. So the installation for this is going to be super easy, you guys. Since it is just an all-in-one type of wig and there's not going to be any lace to cut off or anything like that, you kind of just have to plop it on your head and style it the way that you want it to. Personally, I feel like I would have wanted to try one of these as just a straight cross bang because I don't like the fact that it comes with no lace to cut off because that, in my opinion, makes it look a little bit more wiggy. Just because, like I said, there's nothing to cut, so the lace is just kind of there. So I wasn't really the biggest fan of that, but also I'm just not somebody who does these full wigs with no additional lace to cut off, so that's just personal preference. Here you guys can see I'm just going in with my Revlon blow dryer brush to get rid of some of that humpiness, and I'm going in on the lowest heat setting because I didn't feel like going in with a hot comb, and I just wanted to make sure that I was keeping that consistency of the hair and not getting rid of any of that texture. So as far as the texture on this one, it's really nice. It feels like a soft yaki, kind of like a relaxed yaki, so I was definitely a fan of that. So this one is going to come with a flip out bang and it comes pre-layered. They are saying that this is a shorter version of the bestseller bombshell wig, so I wanted to give this one a try because I didn't try the bombshell and I know a lot of the girls were really liking that one. Personally, I feel like I was kind of a fan of it, but I just wish that I had a little bit of lace to cut off so that I could make it look more realistic. But I think if you're somebody who did like the bombshell unit, you absolutely be here for this, especially if you wanted to try it out, but you are a fan of more shorter length hair, then I feel like this one will be for you. So as far as the cap size on this one, I want to say this one is definitely small, medium, and big head friendly. My head is about 22 to 22.5 inches in circumference and it's fitting my head very well. And the cap definitely did have some stretch to it. And I'm just giving you guys a little 360 to show you what it's looking like. The density is nice and full. It's about 150%, and I just feel like the look of it is really cute, especially with the layers. It just gives it like some additional body. And I wanted to just go in and show you guys some additional styles that you can do with this unit just so that you're not kind of stuck with wearing it as is. You can kind of get away with wearing it in a couple different various styles, so I just wanted to give those options for you guys. So I feel like all in all, this one was a super easy unit. It's absolutely going to be a throw on and go. just because, like I said, there's no lace or anything to cut off. It already comes pre-layered, pre-cut, so you can go in and do your own customization as far as like if you wanted to do those straight across bangs or if you wanted to like cut up these layers even more. But I liked it as it was. I feel like it's a cute style, and as you can see here, I wanted to even show you guys you could do a sort of cute ponytail look, which I do a lot off camera, but I don't know why I never really come on camera and do these little clip ponytail styles, because I do this a lot, especially when my wigs are getting older. This is always one of my go-to styles because it's super easy and super convenient, and you don't have to worry about it being a 360 or anything like that. You can absolutely fake it with even just a typical lace front wig. So I just want to show you guys those different styling options. So as far as my cons and pros when it comes to this unit, my only con is personal preference. I just wish there was lace to make it look a little bit more natural. I do think this is one where you can make it look natural-ish, but I'm just somebody who's very particular, and I feel like I would wanted that additional lace. But other than that, my pros are I really like the layering of it. I think the style is very pretty. I love the way that they cut these curtain bangs. The density is really nice. The texture is really nice. As a whole, would I get this one again? Probably not. I think I would opt to get like a unit from the Melted Hairline collection or something like that and cut it myself just so I have that additional lace, so I don't have to worry about the wind blowing it, flipping up, and me looking crazy or anything like that. But that's just personal preference. I think if you were a fan of the bombshell unit, you definitely will be a fan of this one too. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want to pick up on any of the colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.